video, I want to quickly share with you our software and the utilization that you can have as well for your practice. So let's quickly break down each of these features that we have on one of our clients, Pleroma from Slovakia. And we will start with the Launchpad. Once we will onboard you, you will have just few tasks to integrate everything from your business into the software. Facebook, Google My Business, your mobile app will be installed, and so on. You will see in dashboard what are your current stats. We'll see how many opportunities you have, what is their value, in which stage of the pipeline they are, the tasks that you have with your potential clients, the sources. And this will really show you the quick roundup of what is going in your business, so you can be more prepared to make decisions in your online marketing that will change the course of your campaigns. After that, we have Conversations tab, where you can communicate with your potential clients or with your clients through WhatsApp, SMS, email, Instagram, Facebook DM. It's all in one hub for your communication with your potential clients. Next, we have Calendars, where you can integrate your iOS, your Outlook, your Yahoo, your Google Calendars, and you can see the calendars of your colleagues. You can see what events that they have booked in their calendar. You can see your own calendar. You can have groups of calendars. And then we have Contacts, where we are building these clusters of potential clients that we are approaching with different strategies, with different channels. And once you have, let's say, 20,000 emails, you can have the emails for email marketing, but as well, you can have emails for Facebook ads or SMS campaigns. You can build your different types of potential clients and work with them through this interface. Afterwards, we have Opportunities, where you can see with which people you have already talked to, in which stage of the sales process they are, and what are your new tasks or what you should do next with them to really move forward these potential clients into becoming your client or your colleague. And once we already got your backend of your business, we can get into getting your new clients. We will start with Marketing feature, where you can have your social planner, where you can post new posts on a bunch of social media, not just on one, but on your all of the accounts, the same post, and you can schedule the posts, you can prepare new posts, you can get posts to be validated or to be approved by some people within your organization. Then we have Emails feature for email campaigns, for email automation, for email templates, the same for Snippets, where you have your snippets for all of the email and SMS automation campaigns. You can have your own trigger links for the emails, for the SMS, that will then notify you that someone clicked on the link, and if they clicked, you can run the whole automation based on that. Affiliate manager for all of the affiliates that you have, brand boards for your branding on websites, posts, and so on, and ad manager, where you can, for $29 a month, run all of the ads without going to Google Ads interface, to Meta Ads interface, to TikTok Ads interface, to LinkedIn Ads interface. You have everything in one interface, so you don't have to jump through all of those, but run campaigns without any wasted time on jumping from one platform to another. We are utilizing as well automation for, as I said, once someone will get into your marketing funnel through the, for example, through your website or through the campaign on social media platforms or emails, then they will be pushed through the workflow of each step that are automated and done on your behalf without any of your manual work. Then we have Sites, where you have a lot of marketing assets that you can create and you can utilize. You can build funnels with multiple steps of them getting through your services to websites, where you can have all of your websites done for you, or you can utilize some of the templates that we are giving you at the start. You can run your stores for people buying, for example, your consultations, or for them buying your other digital products like ebooks or mini courses or webinars. You can run blogs, you can run your own WordPress website, you can have your own client portal, you can build your own forms, your own surveys, your own quizzes, you can build your own chat widget, you can build your own QR code. Really extensive interface within the software, and easy to use, because it is really easy just to build a quiz just by adding a new one. So yeah, you have this option. You can utilize your media storage, where you should put all of your created posts or all of the videos and other media assets that are used in your website, just like we are using in our websites here. Then have Reputation Manager, through which you can manage your reputation on Yelp, on Google, on Facebook, and other websites, where people can give you some stars or some reviews. You can also track your requests, the reviews that have been done on your accounts, the widget that you can have on your website, the listing that you can see like you are seen on Google and Yelp and to TripAdvisor and so on. And of course, there are settings for that as well. Then we have Reporting, which is the last one, where you can create your own reports for yourself, like monthly report of your brand awareness or of your whole marketing strategy or whole marketing funnel, Google Ads report, Facebook Ads report, attribution report of how many opportunities you have won, what is your total lead count, calling reports, appointment reports, how many no-shows you have, how many people took your phone once you call them through the software. And you can also utilize our software for calling. So that is another one that is really helpful. And the last thing that we have in our appointment flow is our mobile app that you can just download on Google Play or App Store, and you can have access to communicating with your potential clients and managing all of your marketing assets and marketing strategies and marketing processes, marketing efforts through just having a phone. Yeah, this was our software. It was pretty extensive because a lot of things are going on in that, but I am sure that you will be interested once you will go through each of them on our 7 days trial that you can get just by signing up under this video. So hopefully I will see you on the trial and on the onboarding meeting together. So see you soon.